you fell. You expect me to believe that?
You heard her. She fell. You calling your friend a liar?
Seems more like she was pushed.
I don't know where you're getting at, but I tread very lightly on the remarks you're making. I wouldn't want you to trip and fall. Happy anniversary, babe.
Happy anniversary. I can't believe we've only been dating for 1 month. Feels like so much longer.
Well, time flies when you're having fun, right?
My friends say we're toxically in love.
Well, they're just jealous, that's all. You know, I was thinking we should move in together.
Uh-huh? Really?
Yeah, why not? I mean, you love me, right?
I mean, yeah, of course. It's just...
Oh my God, Alex? Is that you?
Max? Oh my God!
How are you?
God, it's been so long. How are you?
I'm good. How have you been? You look great. Wow.
Oh, this is my boyfriend, Adam. Adam, this is Max. Me and him used to do ice skating together.
Yeah, man, she was great. I remember she was so light I used to toss her around everywhere. You remember that?
Yeah, and you were probably the strongest partner I ever had.
Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, nice to meet you there, buddy.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you. What, you live around here now?
Yeah, I just moved out to LA. I mean, there's so many nice things happening out here with all the clubs and restaurants and bars. Yeah, you know what? We should stay in touch. Are you on Instagram? You ever think about getting back into competition?
Oh, all the time.
Oh my God, here, take it down.
Oh God, yeah.
Yes, I'll add you, you add me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the deal.
Hey, you don't mind, right there, buddy? Oh my God, that's awesome. Wow, is that you in that bikini pic?
Yeah, that's
Jesus Christ. Awesome. Here, so nice running into you. Oh, have fun.
You too. Bye. What are you doing?
You are not following that guy.
What are you talking about?
He has nothing but bad intentions for you. I can tell.
Babe, he's just a friend.
Are you hearing me? I said you're not following that guy. Girls with boyfriends don't follow other guys. You got that?
You're right, babe. I'm sorry. I don't know what I was thinking.
And while you're at it, let me go ahead and unfollow all your other guy friends. Hey, you know I'm only doing this because I love you, right? I have to protect you. There are a ton of crazy guys out here, and I don't want them putting their paws on you.
He made you unfollow all of your guy friends?
Yeah. But he's only doing that because he loves me.
Alex, no, that's controlling and a bit psychotic.
No. Look, I know what you're thinking, but it's different with him.
You know how many girls say that? He's different, not my man. I'm telling you, this doesn't sound healthy. I started this in college. Next step, he's gonna try to isolate you from your friends. He's probably gonna ask you to move in together. What? No, Alex, you're moving in together?
He's not some big monster like you think he is, okay? He's a really sweet and loving guy. You just have to give him a chance. Oh, speaking of, here he comes.
You invited him.
Be nice, please.
Hey, how's it going? Nice to meet you.
Felicia, nice to meet you.
Hey babe, can you get me a matcha tea? Hey, no ice.
So, I hear you guys are moving in together.
Yeah, and I heard you've been telling Alex I'm a bit controlling and psychotic.
Excuse me?
I heard everything you said. I was standing right behind that pillar, listening to your guys' entire conversation. Don't get in the way of Alex and me. It won't end good for you.
Hey guys, have a good talk.
Yeah, hey, we did. We should get going, babe. Felicia has to get back to work, and I have a surprise for you.
Oh.
It was nice meeting you, Felicia. See you around.
Felicia's intuition was right. Her friend Alex was in the early stages of an abusive relationship. Adam was controlling, manipulative, angry, aggressive, insecure, and most importantly, violent. Adam and Alex moved in together, and little by little, Alex started giving away her freedoms. Eventually, Adam had complete control of everything in her life. He controlled who she could hang out with, who she was allowed to speak to on the phone. He even controlled what she was allowed to wear. Things changed for the better when Felicia stood outside of Alex's apartment waiting for her.
Psst, Alex, it's me, Felicia. Alex, hey. Where are you going? It's me, Felicia.
What do you want, Felicia? I'm busy.
Hey. What's going on? Why do you want to talk to me?
I can't talk right now.
Yeah, I can tell you've been ignoring all my calls.
What do you want from me?
I don't know. To have my best friend back? To talk? To know that everything's okay?
Well, everything's okay, all right?
Doesn't look like everything's okay.
It just fell.
You fell. You expect me to believe that?
You heard her. She fell. You calling your friend a liar?
Seems more like she was pushed.
I don't know where you're getting at, but I tread very lightly on the remarks you're making. I wouldn't want you to trip and fall.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Felicia was just leaving. Felicia, it was really nice coming to see you. I have to get going.
It's nice running in, Felicia. Stay safe out here. There's tons of crazy people out here. You again. Listen, Alex is busy, and don't come around here without calling first. We're busy people.
Oh, I'm not here for Alex. I'm here for you. I know what's going on. I know what you're up to, and I'm not leaving without her.
Well, she belongs to me now. You know what, if you really want her, why don't you come here and come get her? Maybe I'll give you a black eye just like I did her.
No need. I don't believe in violence like you do, but I do believe in the law. Arrest him, officer.
Sir, please step outside. You're under arrest for domestic abuse.
What?
Step
No,
outside.
No, I would never put my hands on Alex.
All right, come on.
Thank you.
Of course. I'm so glad you're okay.
All right, Alex. This part's up to you. Just say the word and we'll put it away for a long time.
Baby, please, tell him it's a joke. I would never put my hands on you. Don't you see what she's trying to do? She's trying to separate it because she's jealous.
No. Wait.
That's what gives me a black eye!
Hey. Good job. All right, you heard her. We're out of here.
I've been back for you, Alex.
Come on.
I hate you, Felicia.
Stop.
A recent study states that nearly 1/3 of women experience domestic violence at some point in their relationship, and over 75% of those cases go unreported. I mean, you ask any cop, and they'll tell you the #1 call that they respond to are domestic violence cases. Now think of this. A girl is 6 times more likely to experience domestic violence from their own partner than they are some random stranger on the street. If you know someone who's stuck in a domestic violence situation, make sure to help them get out of that and get the police involved. I hope you guys enjoyed today's life lesson with Luis, as it is an important topic. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share this with someone that you love.